One tool, endless possibilities. Meet the 9-in-1 wire stripper tool, your all-in-one solution for cutting, stripping, and crimping. Whether you're a pro electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this tool makes every project faster, easier, and more precise. Ready to upgrade your toolbox? Let's dive in. The Electrician multifunctional pliers made of high-quality carbon steel for high hardness, cutting edge, strong shearing force, sturdiness, and durability. Fine, polished surface blackened and coated with anti-rust oil for beauty and rust resistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates.